Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests. Today, I stand before you as the President of the United States. But I am more than just a leader. I am a fellow citizen, a humble servant, and a firm believer in the power of our great nation. It is an honor to address you, for in your hands the destiny of America lies. Like a torch passed from generation to generation, the flame of freedom must be upheld and nurtured. Our forefathers, guided by the unyielding spirit of liberty, forged this nation with their blood, sweat, and tears. They laid the foundation for a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. We stand on their shoulders, entrusted with the sacred duty to preserve the principles that make America the land of opportunity and hope. Times may be difficult, challenges may seem insurmountable, but we must remember that throughout our history, we have faced adversity and emerged stronger. We have weathered storms, overcome differences, and bound our wounds to emerge as a more united and resilient nation. Today we find ourselves at a crucial juncture, where unity and understanding are needed more than ever before. Let us not be defined by our divisions, but rather by our collective strength. Our strength lies in our diversity, the amalgamation of ideas, cultures, and backgrounds that define the tapestry of America. It is this diversity that has made us a beacon of hope for people around the world seeking refuge and a better life. We must cherish and protect this diversity, for it is the essence of our greatness. I urge you all to remember that we are bound by a common purpose, to build a more perfect union. Each citizen has a role to play, be it in the halls of Congress, the classrooms of our schools, or the hearts of our communities. We must engage in constructive dialogue, embrace compromise, and find common ground to address the pressing issues facing our nation. Times of hardship often reveal the true character of a nation. As Americans, we must display compassion and empathy towards one another. Let us not be divided by our differences, but united by our shared values of liberty, justice, and equality. Together, we can overcome any obstacle that stands in our way. The path to progress may be arduous, but let us not falter. I implore you to remember the words of our great founding fathers, who declared that we have the unalienable rights of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. These rights are not bestowed upon us by any government or authority. They are endowed upon us by our Creator. In the face of adversity, we must be resolute in our commitment to justice and equality. We must strive to create a society where every person is treated with respect and dignity, regardless of their race, creed, or gender. Let us work tirelessly to eradicate the scourge of slavery that tarnishes our nation, for all men are created equal. As we move forward, let us not forget the sacrifices of those who have come before us, the soldiers who laid down their lives on the battlefield, the pioneers who braved the unknown, and the leaders who shaped our nation with wisdom and foresight. Their legacy is our guiding light, and we must honor their memory by continuing their noble work. In times of uncertainty, it is natural to look to leadership for guidance, but let us not forget that the strength of our nation lies not solely in the hands of its leaders, but in the hearts of its people. We must be active participants in the democratic process, engaged in the pursuit of a better future for all. In conclusion, my fellow Americans, let us stand united and resolute in the face of challenges. Let us be guided by the principles of truth, justice, and compassion. Let us be a shining example of democracy and freedom to the world. Together, we can write a new chapter in the history of our nation, a chapter of hope, progress, and unity. May the flame of liberty burn ever brighter, illuminating the path towards a brighter future for America and all its citizens. God bless you all, and may God continue to bless the United States of America. Thank you.